Hi guys, just wanted to show you how to easily plant geranium cuttings. Again, if you've seen some of my other videos, very similar to yuccas, they're so easy to take cuttings. What I've done, I've gone to some existing plants. We've got a few planted around, but they are a bit dry. We're very hot at the moment, so I've been trying to get some of the best cuttings I can find. All you do, you take a little stem like that. I cut the bottom on an angle, as you can see, and then we just peel off a few of the extra leaves, as you want to sort of leave 2 to 3 on. We have got a flower on this one, which I like to leave on. It might take a bit of energy, but at least it makes it look pretty. And then when you've cut the end, you can put a bit of rooting compound on that, but to be honest, they root so easy. So all we do, I've got a nice little pot here, a little planter here. I filled it with potting compost. It's nice and moist. Because you've got the cut in and cut it on an angle, very simply push it into the potting compost. Get it in probably a minimum 3-4 centimeters, and it's as simple as that. Again, another one, leave 2 or 3 leaves on, base cut, and in you go. Doesn't matter if you put them in a bit deeper, a little bit shallower, you'll get the same effect. And then what you want to do when it's all planted up, again, put it somewhere not in direct sunlight, give it a bit of protection from direct heat, and it'll be as simple as that. Again, we place them in. These will take probably a month or so to root. We'll leave the flower on just for my benefit now, so it looks a bit prettier. And there you go. And what I do, I keep going until I've filled it up. You may get a couple, like that. You want a nice green stem. If it's very woody, it might not take. So as you can see, that's snapped there, which is the softer part. A little bit short for a cutting, but again, don't even need to cut it on a slant. Place it in, away you go. So I hope you try this. Very easy. Keep it watered, keep the soil moist, and it should all take after about a month, and you should have a nice little simple planter. Again, I'll just snap that one, I won't bother trimming it so you can see. In you go. As simple as that. Hope you try it. If you like what you see, please subscribe. See you later. Bye.